Hello and welcome to the Foodie. We are at Papa Pancho in Mumbai because this is the closest thing that comes to a Punjabi dhaba. And why are we in a Punjabi dhaba? Because of all these wonderful people around me from the film Love Shaf De Chicken Khurana. So, are you guys hungry?
Yes,
Yeah? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Chalo, shall we go in and eat and then chat about the film? Come on, let's go. Well, the film is called Love Shafte Chicken Khurana, and what we've got over here is a hell of a lot of chicken and also three wonderful people from the film. Anurag Kashyap from there, on that side,
Hello.
the lovely Huma Qureshi.
Hello.
Yes, and the handsome stud, what can I say? Kunal Kapoor. Kunal's all
Mera
handsome.
humnam.
Kunal's all handsome, I must say. And we've got chicken and they've already started eating, even before we can start talking about this film. But the film is about food. Let me start from that end. Is the film about food?
Film is about food. Film is about chicken khurana. And film is about family, eating together. The film
this?
is about, yes, like this. It's about how when you eat together, you keep together.
What a good idea.
But the only dish that is missing from here and from the table in the film is chicken khurana. It's a mythical dish.
Oh, it's a mythical dish. I was about to ask you for the recipe of this dish.
No, it has a recipe.
But there is a
Has a
recipe.
recipe.
Yeah, of course.
But the film is the search for that recipe.
Okay, the search is for the recipe. I love the name of the film. But sometimes when it's a slightly long, complicated name, it becomes more memorable. What do you think?
I think so. I think the title is very unique.
It is unique, isn't it? And you've got chicken in the title.
And on the table.
And on the table. Poster पे chicken है कि नहीं?
पोस्टर पे चिकन सबसे बड़ा है.
सबसे बड़ा chicken है.
हम छोटे छोटे हैं. Chicken is right in the center.
आपके बगल में क्या है?
मेरे बगल में chicken नहीं है, prawns है.
लेकिन आप क्यों नहीं खा रहे?
मैं खा रहा हूँ. We got on the table, I think this is tandoori chicken over here. We got some prawns and we got some kebabs. Most of it is chicken. So he just sort of laid the basic foundation about the film, which is it's about this hunt for a recipe and it's about families eating together. Where do you come into the film and what do you play?
He came in before me.
He came in before you. So he was part of the film before they came to the producer.
Yeah, we were the producer actually. Me and Sam, the director of the film. And so once we had the script, we said, we want to take it to Anurag. And we took it to him.
And Huma, you were in Wasapur. And that's a different kind of film. This is a different kind of film
But that's what that caused this film to happen for me
because you were there shooting that.
I was shooting for that, and that's the first time I met Kunal because he had come to meet Anurag on the sets of Vasapur. And I didn't know they were planning or cooking Love Shav together. And Sameer saw the film, like bits of the film of Gangs of Vasapur, which is when he decided that I could pass off as a Punjabi as well.
Okay.
So it actually all started with Gangs of Vasapur.
He's not talking only. He's got his mouth full with chicken. and he's not
This is not
speak.
chicken khurana, but it's quite good. Huh?
That's appreciation for food.
Yeah.
Appreciation of the food.
Yeah.
What nice tikkas.
Yeah, it's chicken
Trying.
tikkas.
Chalo, I'm going to try one of these also.
Well, the movie is about this mad Khurana family, first of all. Completely crazy family. Like a lot of families in Punjab. They're not trying to be crazy, but they're just
They're just loud and boisterous and happy. And
Like any other regular family.
Like any
yeah.
other-
Actually, we actually try to avoid the loud and boisterous bit because I'm from Punjab. I spent a lot of time there. Sameer, the director, has spent lots of time, and Sumit, the writer, is from there. And when we watch Punjab in the movies, we're like, damn, this is not Punjab.
It's a caricature.
Yeah, it's like a caricature of Punjab. It's like how Sardars are portrayed in Hindi films. It's all, they're always loud and over the top. So we felt it was important that with this film at least to sort of capture what real Punjab is and bring that to screen. So I think the Punjab that you see in this film is really different from.
And it's very real.
Yeah, it's real. The characters are real. They're not necessarily. I mean, she's playing a Punjabi girl, but it doesn't mean that she has to be screechy and over the top.
Correct?
Yeah, like I remember I was in an interview and they said, so what are you playing? I said, I'm playing a Punjabi. The doctor said, oh, Punjabi doctor. I'm like, why is that like an oxymoron,
It never happens.
It never happens in the movies. Punjabi women are just supposed to be loud and be like very, very over the top. If you actually travel and you go to Punjab, you'll see them and they still have their sort of madness in them, but they're not caricatures. You're not trying to sort of push anything or even humor down anyone's throat.
But listen, speaking of Punjab and the Punjabis, this is my observation, okay? I've traveled to Punjab, we've traveled with the food show, I've got Punjabi friends. I find that a lot of Punjabis are vegetarian.
Yeah.
I don't know those Punjabis.
You don't know them.
I don't want to know
If
them.
they're vegetarians,
I
I
don't
don't know
want
I
them.
don't want to know you.
No, actually, the dhabas there, what they do is you got to order chicken and wait because then they go and catch it fresh and they bring it. So they don't store chicken there.
Oh, I didn't know this, huh?
Yeah.
This is something that one should do the next time goes.
They don't store it. So it's not like they've had chicken lying there for a day. So whatever chicken you have there is fresh.
Fresh. Immediately
Punjab,
caught.
Punjabi
Immediately
people believe in eating fresh chicken.
Unlike we who are eating everything out of a freezer.
That's why the tikkas and kebabs are, when you bite into a tandoori chicken there, it's something else.
Is something else, yeah.
Yeah, you're not eating here.
No, I will eat. I'm finding it a little
I'll
difficult
finish
to
by
keep
then.
up with the both of. No, there's more food coming, huh?
Yeah.
This is only the starters.
I'm only starting.
Yeah. Okay. But you obviously are passionate about food.
Yeah, I love food.
Yeah? What kind of food do you like?
All kinds of food.
All kinds of food. So no
Wherever
one
I go, I
preference?
eat local food.
Local food wherever. And anything, say, take India. Anything that has really turned you on in terms of food?
Yeah.
Which cuisine?
Huma's mom's cuisine.
Which is what?
Bindi gosht, tinda gosht, shalgam gosht, yakhni that she makes. And the keemas, which are like keema jo meat jo wood pe beat karke banate hain.
हाँ तो थोड़े you can get
It's
texture.
more fluffy.
Correct.
It's
yeah.
more fluffy.
Yeah.
Mother is Kashmiri. So there are all kind of Kashmiri variations that she makes. And the yakhni is to die for.
There is a rumor going on that I've been cast for the film because I keep feeding
The
him all
food-
the
food
food.
is
Yeah,
good.
I just keep supplying the food, which is why he
And
cast
I have a big complaint. Why are we sitting and eating and shooting the show in a restaurant?
Because
We
the
should-
restaurant is in, my family is in Delhi, so my father.
That's why. Otherwise we could have come to your house
Her
and shot
family
it.
owns the saloons in Delhi.
Oh.
People come from a filmy family, I come from a food family.
You have a relationship with food.
Yeah, I do.
Which is why she's perfect casting. Doing a food film is a sickening thing though, I have to tell you. Because the first take is great fun. Especially when you're shooting in Punjab and it's cold. You have rotis and prantis and makhan and all, great sabzi and all that comes in. You're like, khana, chalo shuru karo shot. By the time you reach the 15th take, you don't want to look at that food ever.
You eaten it 15 times.
And
You
you
OD'd on it and
you OD'd on it and you've got to make it look good. You got to make it like you're enjoying
Yeah,
it.
enjoying it.
And you're like, damn, I don't want to look at this food ever.
बहुत हो गया.
Hey, look, kya baat kar rahe ho? Look at my plate.
Acha, I think we should
Where's
be.
my plate?
Let's order some more food. Let's order some more food. So we'll just get some more food and then continue chatting. I've understood that it's about this hunt for a recipe. It's about families eating together. But what is it? Are there sort of two families looking for the same recipe, or somebody's lost the recipe and going somewhere?
Is the world looking for the same recipe?
Oh, there are a bunch of people all looking.
No, it's actually the family, but the world, the competitors want that recipe.
Acha. And does that chicken, is that chicken khurana available anywhere? No.
The chicken khurana was started by my Darji, my grandfather. And there's a story behind why he started this chicken khurana in the dhaba. And now he's gone senile.
Okay, he's gone back.
And usually as it happens, you know, when you know something that's like really like a big secret, you don't want to pass it on. So he's the only one that knows about this place, this recipe. And now the dhaba is shut down because nobody else knows the recipe. So this errant sort of grandson who's run away to London 10 years back comes back and then begins this whole search for chicken khurana.